Welcome to 6405 Pioneer Road, a premier 5-acre home site opportunity located in Kings Landing. This private gated community is nestled in the gently rolling hills of southwest Medford. A custom entry gate will lead you to a serene and paved driveway to the property. Upon entering the property, you're greeted by a pristine setting with stunning views. The white vinyl fencing and lush irrigated pasture are picturesque and provide the perfect canvas for your rural estate. Existing infrastructure includes a 30-gallon per minute well, irrigation system with water supplied from the Talent Irrigation District, septic approval, large barn, and more. Located just 10 minutes outside of Medford and Jacksonville. This area is highly sought after, and this property is the last buildable lot available in Kings Landing. Thank you for touring this property with us today.